Hi there, students. Revenant. Okay, revenant can be a noun, a countable noun, or as well an adjective. Okay, a revenant, I think the basic meaning is something or someone that comes back from the dead, who returns to life after being dead. So you definitely could call zombies revenants. Yeah, they die and they come back to life. Um, a ghost that comes back to haunt us. Yeah, the executed man became a ghostly revenant. Now, we can also use this revenant to talk about somebody who has returned after a long time away, particularly somebody who we thought was dead. Um, so, um, yeah, he was a revenant in his country. Yeah, and people had not seen him for a long time. He went back to his hometown, and he was clearly a revenant because he'd been away for 20 years. Yeah, he'd been away at sea for 20 years, and he came back as a revenant visitor. Okay, so a revenant, somebody who has returned, somebody who's come back after a long time. You can also use this for things and concepts. So an old-fashioned concept that is, or a very old-fashioned concept that's not being used anymore, then comes back to life. So perhaps with global warming, we need to have some revenant practices or revenant farming practices from what used to happen in the past. Yeah, something that is resurrected, if you like. Yeah, so a reverend, a person who comes back, or something that comes back after a very long period, something that recurs, it comes back. Or a revenant, a ghost, a bogeyman, an apparition, yeah, a phantom, a shadow maybe. So yes, they are proposing various revenant ideas, ideas coming that have come back that were completely disused. If people start believing again that the earth is flat, well, that would definitely be a revenant concept. It's something that we think a concept that died a very long time ago. Maybe you saw the film The Revenant with Leonardo DiCaprio, where effectively everybody thinks he's dead, and he comes back from the dead to take revenge. Yeah, well, not from the dead. They think he's dead, but suddenly he appears and it's clear he's not dead. And that's why it's called The Revenant. Yeah, it's like he's come back from the dead. Let's see. A revenant is an animated corpse that's believed to have revived from death and to haunt the living world. Yeah? Okay, formality. I'm going to give this word a 6 in formality, although I'm sure many native speakers, having seen the film, went to look up the word. Use it anywhere. And then as to origin, well, it comes from French revenant, which comes from the verb to revenir, to come back, again, and venir, come, so come again. And that's the idea. So resurrected from the dead, yeah, a revenant. A revenant has been resurrected, something that has been long in disuse. Maybe they took the house and it was falling to pieces. It was almost destroyed, but it was refurbished, and the house then became a revenant of how the place used to be. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Revenant.